This guide explains how to add a clock widget on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra home screen. Widgets allow you to customize your device, improve accessibility, and display important time information directly on your home screen in a clean and professional layout. To begin, long press on an empty area of the home screen until the customization menu appears. Tap the Widgets option at the bottom of the screen to open the widget panel. Scroll down and select Clock to view available styles. You will find options such as analog, digital, dual clock, and world clock. Swipe through the designs and choose the one that best suits your preference and usability needs. Tap Add or press and hold the widget to drag and place it on your desired location on the home screen. You can also resize the widget by holding it and adjusting the edges for better alignment. Some models allow additional customization such as time zone selection and display style adjustments for a more personalized experience. Stay tuned for more easy Samsung tips and tricks to make your smartphone experience even better. See you in the next guide.